Good morning, this is Jay. In this video we are going to talk about how to do a simple highlight tables map chart, simple as that. So like look at it here, highlight tables is something that if any of you could have been worked in Excel, the conditional formatting comes in. So within the conditional formatting, the lowest value would be highlighted with some sort of color, and then like the highest value would be highlighted with a different sort of color, so that it might be very contrasting, so that looking at the numbers, but ideally on top of the numbers the color will represent whether it has been performing better or not on what state of it. So that is basically the highlight tables, one of an important visualization in generic analysis. Let me start with a segment. I would take segment into columns, maybe subcategories into rows. You get difference here. Parallelly, let me take years into columns again. Yep, cool. Then this making so much sense here. Cool. Out of this I would give profit. Cool. Looking at the numbers, what are we trying to convey? It's not been getting properly conveyed, right? It is not being able to it's not getting that inference to us. So is there something that we can do some inference to it? Yeah, let me go here. I click this one. Cool. Then yeah, maybe this has been reversed here. I would take this way. I would take year into segments level. Cool. This might be making sense here. Look at it here. Actually, table is making a loss in most of the scenarios. It's kind of like, but looking at the numbers, we wasn't able to identify what it is actually happening. Okay, but this inference is clearly plotting something to us. Look at it here. Copiers is actually making a profit this year, this year, this year. Out of each and every year, this is Copiers is actually making a high profit comparing with all other subcategories. Irrespective of any segments, it is actually, it can be a consumer segment or home office, it do perform in this way. It's kind of a better inference comes in, right? On top of it, if you wanted to change the color conversion, maybe like I don't want this color, I wanted to change the color, you can still change it. I can still change it to red to blue conversion. So dark blue represents the high profit, the red in color represents the loss. Simple as that. Again, if you wanted to change some more color, maybe like stepped color, I have just given a simple color. If you wanted to give a stepped color, I just want 5 colors, this one, this one, this one, this way. So you click OK. Yep, this is the one, it comes in. Yep, most of the one which has been falling under this color range is basically like something that we can go for kind of an average and kind of an acceptable, but which has been in kind of this dark shades is actually not acceptable. So this is basically like making sometimes a loss, and then like sometimes it has been kind of getting acceptable, but ideally the blue is actually making a profit. Whatever blue is that, yeah, it's making a better profit. Simple as that. And then the darker blue talks about, yeah, they are actually making a better profit and then making a better inference. Maybe if this is not still convinced, then we can go for 4 step sizes, maybe like 5 step size, maybe like, yeah, I think 4 should work. 3 this way works, maybe 4 should work. Cool. Now look at it here. Yeah, this making even a better inference, right? Wherever making a loss, it's getting identified. Look at it here. Wherever it is loss, it's kind of like negative profit, everything is getting highlighted. Kind of a cool visualization comes in, right? This is what an idea of creating a highlight table within Tab. Cool. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.